Serving others with a 5-star approach is the lifeblood of our business. So when we receive a glowing review, we love to share the news. We're honored when someone takes the time to write about their personal experience like this. As you can see, we not only take the time to meet everyone's needs, we go that extra distance because we really do care, and it's great to see that we're making a huge difference every day. Great reviews aside, we enjoy earning these from everyone, so we want to show you how our extensive experience and superior service can help you. Our door is always open to answer any questions you might have, so please don't hesitate. Call us today at the number on your screen.